Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artblock.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record myself doing it, and it's a lot of fun. Here we go. Ooh, that's a fun one. Okay. So let's see if we can do this with nested template and with padding box. So what am I talking about? And a border. So we're going to put the background on the HTML element, this green color, and we want to create. So I'll start with yellow on this on the body element. So I'm going to set margin so it narrows in correctly. 21, 22, and then 80, 90, 110, 120, 122. So that's the start. And then I think I know that I want padding of like 10 pixels. And then this background is going to be, oh, and then I need a border 20 pixels solid, this yellow color. Yes. And let's do background. And I think I can do red padding box. Let's see if I got that right. Maybe not. How about radial gradient? 1Q transparent, 20 pixels yellow, 40 pixels transparent. Okay, and we want to make that bigger. So this number is 100, 10, 90, 85, and then this is what, 55 or 45. Okay, so we made that circle, but the padding should apply to that, right? If I understand padding box. Do I need other numbers? 50% auto padding box. Content box, is it content box? Yeah, it's content box. Okay, so I keep not remembering that it's content box. That's fine. And do I need this? Maybe not. I don't need the, so I just remove position and size. I only need the keyword content box, but I need to choose the correct padding amount. So that's 20 pixels, 10, maybe 15 pixels, 15 pixels, and that does it. So this is a very specific application, and it was actually a watcher, a commenter, reminded me content box. So there are various keywords about background about what it applies to. You could do, there are several. So let's do what? Did we submit? We haven't submitted. We got to submit to the backend. Let's find out. Make sure we're at 100%, and we are. So we minify. I don't think we have any units there that are going to reduce. Oh, yeah, we do. 15 pixels becomes 5 VH, because specifically we've got 300 pixels tall, and then 5 VW is the border size. So that's fun. I like that. I like that solution. It's pretty short as far as solutions go. Yeah, I like that. The alternative would be, covering linear gradient. We just do the same thing, but so that would take out. So if we remove padding 5H and content box and replace it with a linear gradient, or yeah, a linear gradient probably would do it as well. So why don't we do that too? For fun. So if I remove that and then remove content box and then add a linear gradient, and that has to be horizontal, so 90 degrees, and it's green to cover, and 10 pixels, and a comma. And then we need, so this is 50, actually it's 15. Hello. And it starts right at the edge. So we need a background position X of 0, and we need a width. How about 50 pixels? 60, 60, 70, 85. And that's the other way to do that. That's without the padding. And I think that's more characters. Yeah, that's pretty much more characters. But that would be the alternative to the content box. So we should minify, unit replace again. And there's a few more characters I can scratch off there. And that's fun too. No wrong way to do any of these things, really. If you're getting to 100%, I will not argue with your functional code. That's a lot of fun. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page. Web pages are awful fun. Look how much fun these are. All right. Get out of here. I'll see you again. Bye.